Congratulations on purchasing your new 3-burner gas grill, and welcome to the Nexgrill family. Before we begin assembling your grill, please refer to your instruction manual to make sure all of the grill's parts are included. Note that you'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver and an adjustable wrench to complete the assembly, which are not included. If you have any questions or concerns during the assembly, simply call the customer service line on your screen. Now let's dig in. We'll begin by removing the pre-assembled screw and washer from the tank bolt and installing the tank bolt through the rear hole of the cart bottom panel. Reinstall the screw and washer to secure the tank bolt in place. Next, loosen the 5 pre-assembled screws on the cart frame and attach the cart frame to the cart bottom panel, sliding the cart frame into place, then retighten the pre-assembled screws. Now let's attach all 4 casters to the bottom of the cart bottom panel. Using 4A screws each, attach the swivel caster to the front left, the swivel caster with brake to the back left, and the 2 standard casters to the right side front and back of the bottom cart panel. Once all 4 casters are secure, flip the bottom panel right side up and mount the door iron piece by loosening the 2 pre-assembled screws on the bottom panel, sliding the piece into place and retightening the screws. Next, we'll attach the side panels. Start by loosening the 3 pre-assembled screws on the left side of the bottom panel, then slide the left side panel into place. Once in place, retighten the pre-assembled screws. Repeat these steps to attach the right side panel. Next, attach the rear panel by loosening the 3 pre-assembled screws on each side panel. After that, slide the rear panel into place, retighten the pre-assembled screws on each panel, and secure the rear panel to the bottom panel using 1A screw. Next, attach the cart frame to the front of your grill cart using 4A screws, 2 on each side panel. Next, we'll attach a triangle bracket at each bottom corner of the front of your grill cart. Slightly loosen the 4 pre-assembled screws found at each corner. Slide each bracket into place, like so, then retighten the screws to secure both brackets in place. With your cart in place, now it's time to affix the Firebox assembly on top. This step requires 2 people. Carefully lift the Firebox assembly and place it on top of the cart, making sure the electronic igniter module and LP regulator remain inside of the cart. Once in place, secure the Firebox assembly with 4A screws, 2 on each side. Attach the electronic igniter module to the inside of the left cart panel using 2B screws from the panel's exterior. Now we'll assemble your grill's doors. First, remove the pre-installed screws found on your grill's door handles. Align the door handle with the holes on the front of the door, then secure the handle in place by reinstalling the screws from the opposite side of the door. Repeat this step to assemble the second door. After assembling both doors, attach the left door to the grill cart by securing it with 6 C screws through the hinges into the cart frame. Now attach the manifold extension bracket to the inside of the right cart panel using 2B screws from the panel's exterior. Attach the right door to the grill cart by securing it with 6 C screws through the hinges into the cart frame. Now we'll assemble the grease tray by attaching a bracket to the main tray using 2B screws and 2D washers. Once your grease tray is assembled, simply slide it into the back of the grill. Then insert the grease cup into the grease tray bracket through the front of the grill. Now install the support brackets for the grill's right side shelf. Begin by attaching side shelf support bracket B to the rear right of the Firebox with 2 C screws at the top and 1A screw at the bottom. Next, secure side shelf support bracket A to the front right of the Firebox using the same configuration. 2 C screws at the top and 1A screw at the bottom. Repeat these same steps to install the support brackets for the grill's left side shelf. Now, attach the right and left side shelves like so. Next, open the lid on your grill and put each flame tamer into place at the bottom of the main burner bowl. No screws are necessary to secure the flame tamers. Then set the cooking grids into place, holes facing forward, followed by the warming rack. Next, open the left door and remove the electronic igniter module cap. Insert a AA battery with the positive side facing out, then securely reinstall the cap. With your grill nearly assembled, now it's time to attach the liquid propane tank. Set your tank into the grill cart with the nozzle facing the right side panel. Then carefully and firmly connect the gas line to your tank. And finally, tighten the tank bolt to secure your gas tank in place. Your Nexgrill 3-burner gas grill is now fully assembled and ready for use. Happy grilling!